Hello friends, today we are going to see the problems on disinfection. First, let us take down the first problem on disinfection. Take down the water works of a town of population 25,000 has to meet its water demand at the rate of 135 liters per capita per day. If the disinfection is to be done by bleaching powder having 45 percentage of available chlorine, determine the quantity of bleaching powder required per year. The required dosage of chlorine at waterworks is 0.3 ppm for disinfection. So this is the problem. First, in the problem they are given the population of a town. It is 25,000. The water demand is 135 liters per person per day. So what you can calculate? We can calculate the total water required per day. Then the bleaching powder is having 45 percentage of available chlorine, and also they are given the dosage of chlorine required for disinfection. First, the water requirement of the town. Solution we are going to see. What is the water requirement for the town? The water requirement for a town is 135, that is a per capita demand. Per capita demand. And what is the uh, population? 25,000. 135 into 25,000. That is 3.375 into 10 raised to 6 liters per day. This is very simple calculation. Dosage, the demand of the water and the population. Next, chlorine dosage required for disinfection. It is already given 0.3 ppm, that is equal to 0.3 mg per liter, right? So what is the chlorine required then? So we have this much amount of water, that is 3.375 into 10 raised to 6 liters per day of water is treated, and the dosage required is zero point 0.3. So what is the chlorine required for one day? That is 0.3 into, that is the population, 3.375 into 10 raised to 6 divided by 6 is to convert this milligram to kg. So you will have 1.0125 kg per day. This is the chlorine required for one day. This is the chlorine required for one day. Now, in the problem they are given the bleaching powder is having 45 percentage of chlorine. What does it means? It means 45 kg of chlorine will be available if I take 100 kg of bleaching powder. So in 100 kg of bleaching powder, there will be only 45 kg. How much amount of chlorine required per day? It is 1.0125 kg per day. So then what is the bleaching powder required per day? It is 1 point simple cross multiplication. For 100 kg of bleaching powder, 45 kg is required. So for 1.1015 of bleaching powder, how much chlorine, how much bleaching powder is required? So it is 1.0125 into 10 raised into 100 divided by 45. That is 2.25 kg per day. So what is required per year? Because they asked per year. That is 2.25 into 365. What is 365? 365 days per 1 year. So 2.25 into 365 is 821.25 kg per year. That is the answer. Or it is nearly equal to 822 kg per year. It's very simple problem. Next, I will have similar problem, but slightly variable data. A town having a population of 50,000 is to be supplied, water is to be supplied at a rate of 150 liters per capita per day. The disinfection of water is to be carried out with bleaching powder, which contains 30% of active chlorine. So chlorine dosage required for disinfection is 0.3 ppm. Calculate the quantity of bleaching powder required per year. Now similar type of problem, only the data are different. Now they are given the population of 50,000 and the rate of water demand is 150 liters per capita per day. So what is the total water required? That is 50,000 into 150, right? So the total water required is 150 into 50,000 liters. So 150 into 50,000 liters per day, that is equal to 7.5 into 10 raised to 6 liters per day. It's a simple calculation. The dosage is given is 0.3 ppm, right? So it is 0.3 mg per liter chlorine dosage required for disinfection. So the quantity of chlorine required per day is 0.3 into 7.5 into 10 raised to 6 divided by 10 raised to 6. This 10 raised to 6 is converting milligram to kg. So that is 2.25 kg per day. Next, similarly, now bleaching powder contains 30% of chlorine. So what it means? 10 kg of chlorine is 30 kg of chlorine is available in 100 kg of bleaching powder. Then how much bleaching powder is required to achieve 2.25 kg of chlorine? So quantity of chlorine bleaching powder required is 2.525 into 100 divided by 30, that is 7.5 kg per day. What is the amount required per year then? It is 365 into 7.5, that is 2737.5 kg per year. That means 2738 kg per year, nearly equal to. Correct? So that is a second problem. This is another variety of problem. The quantity of chlorine used to treat 20,000 meter cube of water per day is 8 kg. Now chlorine they are given. It is for treating 20,000 liters of meter cube of water, 20,000 meter cube of water, chlorine required is 8 kg. So the residual chlorine after contact period of 10 minutes is found to be 220 mg per liter. Calculate the dosage of mg per liter and chlorine demand of water. Right? Okay. So what is that amount of water to be treated? It is 20,000 meter cube. So that is 20,000 into 10 raised to 3 liters, or 20 into 10 raised to 6 liters, or 20 million liters. What is the chlorine consumed per day? It is given 8 kg. So chlorine consumed per day is 8 kg. That is 8 into 10 raised to 6 milligram. I am converting that into milligram. So chlorine consumed per day 8 kg. It is converted into milligram. Right? The chlorine used per liter of water, how much? It is 8 into 10 raised to 6 divided by 20 into 10 raised to 6. Correct? So that is equal to 0.4 mg per liter. This is the chlorine consumed, total chlorine consumed divided by total amount of water to be treated. That is 0.4 mg per liter. What is the dosage? It is 0.4 mg per liter. What is the residual chlorine? It is 0.2 mg per liter. 0.2 mg per liter. So hence actual chlorine dosage which has reacted with water, it is zero point 0.4 minus zero point 0.2. This is the chlorine dosage. This is the residual chlorine. So that is equal to zero point 0.4 minus zero point 0.2, that is zero point 0.2 mg per liter. That is a very simple calculation. Right. Still you can see many problems in the old question papers. You can solve that. Similar type of problems are there. You can solve using old, looking at into the old question paper of 2010 scheme. 2010 scheme. Right. Thank you.